Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make WordPress responsive. We'll dive into why a mobile-friendly website is absolutely essential in today's digital landscape. You'll learn the fundamental principles behind responsive design, ensuring your site looks fantastic whether viewed on a large desktop monitor, a tablet, or a small smartphone screen. This guide will help you create a seamless experience for all your visitors, boosting engagement and improving your site's overall performance. A crucial first step is selecting a truly responsive WordPress theme. These themes are engineered to automatically adjust to different screen sizes. Beyond themes, powerful page builder plugins, such as Elementor or Beaver Builder, offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces to create responsive sections and elements without writing any code. Remember to always keep your chosen theme and all plugins updated. This ensures optimal performance and security across all devices. Optimizing your content and media is key. Start by compressing images to reduce load times and use responsive image attributes so they scale correctly. Implement fluid grids and flexible images. This allows your layout and visuals to adapt smoothly to any screen width. For text and other elements, use relative units such as percentages or ems instead of fixed pixels. This ensures everything resizes proportionally, maintaining visual harmony. Finally, rigorous testing is non-negotiable. Always test your WordPress site across a wide range of devices and browsers to catch any display inconsistencies. Tools like Google's mobile-friendly test can quickly highlight areas needing improvement. Adopting a mobile-first design approach, where you design for smaller screens first and then scale up, often leads to a superior user experience and better overall responsiveness. Consistent testing ensures your site remains perfectly adaptable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.